Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fall Guys Monopoly. First, let's get everything ready for a chaotic game. The goal is to collect the most kudos, the game's currency, by the end. You'll find a colorful board, 4 unique bean tokens, 16 round cards, and 9 plastic obstacles. Each player begins with 10,000 kudos and a helpful reference card. Set up the obstacles on their designated spots and place the crowns near the banker, ready for collection. Now let's dive into how a turn works. Each turn, you'll roll 2 dice, a numbered die for movement and a special knockout die for actions. Move your bean token clockwise around the board according to the numbered die. Be careful, though. If an activated obstacle is in your way, you must stop on the space directly before it. When you land on a round space, you can buy it if it's available or pay rent to its owner. The knockout die adds a unique twist to every turn, triggering special events. It can activate or deactivate obstacles, grant you kudos, or even let you move other players. Watch out for obstacles like Big Yeetus and moving walls. They can block your path or even knock your bean token off the board. If you roll dive, you can cleverly bypass an activated obstacle. Rolling grab lets you strategically move another player 1 space. Collecting crowns is crucial for victory in Fall Guys Monopoly. Every time you pass or land on the go space, you'll claim one of these valuable crowns. Each crown is worth a hefty 10,000 kudos when the game ends. The game reaches its exciting conclusion once the very last crown has been taken. After all players have returned to go, the player who has accumulated the most kudos, including the value of their crowns, is crowned the ultimate Blunderdome champion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.